So I choke on sun, and the days blur into one in the backs of my eyes, on the things I've never done. Sheets are swaying